Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Knox County in northern Texas, northwestern Baylor County in northern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rhineland, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seymour, Monday, Benjamin, Red Springs, Lake Camp, Maybell, Vera, Rhineland, and Beaumartin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.